Hey guys, Egyptian stocks opportunities after tax change. Tax change. Um, it's not a change. They neglect tax in the stock market. Zero tax in the stock market in Egyptian stocks. So let's read this report about this issue. So this video for Egyptian and for foreigners, for Arab people, for all people around the world, it's for encouraging them to invest in the stock market in Egypt stocks. The Egyptian stock market shift. Recent tax reform in Egypt has sent ripples through the stock market, sparking both excitement and uncertainty among investors. But to understand the tax change, Egypt now neglect or make the tax on the Egyptian trades, Egyptian stocks trades, sell and buy, zero tax. Zero, according if you have 100 or 200% of profit, zero tax. This is so. This is what happened in Egypt last month. So the trend of the case 30 will go up through the next 3 years or 4 years directly, while there are some risks and there is opportunities. Consideration of risks nowadays had the war in the Middle East between Israel and Iran. And now we are seeing that, watching on the TVs and media, that the rockets of Iran is slowed down. Start with 100 rock at the time of explosion. Now we have 5 to 7 rocks per explosion. So the risk because from the war will be down and will finish in the next 1 month or 2 months from now. Now this video in June, I think by August all this war will be finished. So we will come to up trend up for Egyptian market. Why? Egypt has a good relationship with Israel because of the peace relation, and because Egypt also had a very good situation and position, geographical position in the Middle East, in the old world. It's in the center between Europe and Asia and Africa, and it has many opportunities. Opportunities here in the cement sector, in the industry of the cement sector, because of the war around us in Syria, in Israel, in Gaza, in Iran, in Ukraine. All these places need cement for rebuild their towns. Also, we have the tourism sector. The tourism sector from COVID-19 not working around the world, but after peace and the growth, not only in Egypt, in all other places, the tourism will go ahead. So if you like to invest in Remco. Remco, it's a very good company which build touristic village in Sharm el Sheikh and in Hurghada. So please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others, and write any comments so I will reply you and other will reply you in the same time. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you. Press like and share the video and subscribe in the channel. Thanks for watching the video.